Hello guys, in this video I will share with you 2 ways to use split screen on Windows 10. This method is very useful for those of you who want to complete several tasks at once. Okay, let's do it the first way. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. The first way is to click Start, Windows logo, then click this arrow button. The second way, you simply drag the screen to the right or left corner, then release it once the size is right. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.